What's going on with the truckers? Right now, I'm telling you guys, if a company called Race Pro Products owes you money, there's a great chance that you're not going to get any of it. Basically, I'll put the link down below, but Freight Waves just came off of this, hot off the press, and basically says that uh, the company owes over 400 creditors, which is over 400 trucking companies over $56 million. And the reason why is because they're declaring bankruptcy. They've just recently filed Chapter 7. So, here's the thing in business, and it sucks. A lot of times you're thinking you're dealing with really big companies and you think that they're going to pay you right away. Well, they don't. They pay you net 30, net 60, net 90. And because of that, that's the reason why people are using all these factoring companies. But you have to be careful about really big companies because a lot of times they do not pay their bills on time. Mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know if you actually do business with an extremely big company and you thought you were excited about getting this gig, and next thing you know, they do not pay their bills, and you're paying your driver, you're the driver, you're paying your truck, you're paying your fuel, you're paying your maintenance. You got the job done, but then they don't pay you for months at a time. That's the recipe to go broke. But I'm just letting you guys know right now. They say they're broke, they're filing for Chapter 7, and they say at the end they could pay back some of their creditors, some of their banks, but they won't have enough money to pay back the trucking companies. Mother truckers, comment down below. Let me know if you've ever carried Race Pro products for any of reasons at all. The company states that they actually owe FedEx Freight of Illinois over $4.4 million, Northwest Logistics LLC of Newport Beach, California, nearly $4.4 million, and Nationwide Logistics of Ontario, California, nearly $3.2 million. Eric Z is listed as the president of RPP and owns 100% of the company, and so they're hoping by March that they figure out something to pay the creditors. But as of now, truck drivers, do not take any loads for Race Pro products, guaranteed.